Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, October 16th, 2018. Looking at our homework for this evening. In math, we've got independent practice 4.3, which can be found on pages 95 and 96. Remember, we are dividing mixed numbers. Make sure that you convert them into from a mixed number into an improper fraction first, and then you can go through and do your process of keep, change, flip before we simplify and find our answer. In math, honors math that is, there is no homework. In science, 8th period science, you're the only group that has homework tonight. All right, 8th period, you've got that. And then science fair, if you're doing that, the topics and honors, that is due on the 23rd, 1 week from today. Also, you need to bring earbuds for class tomorrow. Social studies, we have a paper assignment called Moving Day, and that's where we're sitting there, we're measuring the distance between cities within the United States. In language arts, we need to plan our intro and concluding paragraphs for our letter that we are writing to Mrs. Murray. And in literature, our article of the week is due Thursday, and we also have AR points that are due next Monday. That's going to be it for tonight. Make it a good one.